In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Get free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info, and when it's ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, learn all the information about your tablet's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!